What exactly is an electromagnetic flow meter? Simply put, it's a device that measures the flow rate of liquid using the principles of electromagnetism. The core principle behind electromagnetic flow meters is Faraday's law, electromagnetic induction. According to this law, when a conductive fluid passes through a magnetic field, it generates voltage. Sounds like magic, right? But it's pure science. Here is how OD engineers make these flow meters work so efficiently. First, they create a magnetic field by energizing coils that are positioned on either side of the flow tube. When the conductive liquid flows through this magnetic field, it induces a voltage proportional to the flow velocity. Now, these electrodes placed inside the walls of the flow tube pick up this voltage. The greater flow rate, the higher the induced voltage. This voltage is then converted into flow rate by flow meters electronics. OD engineers have designed their electromagnetic flow meters to work with wide range of conductive liquids, from wastewater to chemicals. The key is that the liquid be conductive, meaning it allows electric charges flow through it. You might be wondering about accuracy. Well, the electromagnetic flow meters by OD engineers are renowned by precision. They can measure flow rates with an accuracy of up to 0.5%, which is exceptional in the industry. Plus, they are unaffected by temperature, pressure, and viscosity changes, making them versatile for various applications. Additionally, they help industries monitor and manage their liquids more efficiently, contributing to sustainable practices. Let's talk about a real-world example. Imagine a wastewater treatment plant. Accurate measurement of flow rate is crucial for maintaining the right chemical balance and ensuring environmental compliance. An electromagnetic flow meter provides precise data needed to keep the plant running smoothly and safely. To sum it up, OD engineers' electromagnetic flow meters combine cutting-edge technology with practical applications, making them indispensable in various industries. Whether you are dealing with water treatment, food, beverages production, or chemical processing, these devices offer reliable and accurate flow measurement.